me. Let's solve this question together. Solve for the value of x in the given equation. This is a given equation. You say leaving your answers in the form A, B out of C. B is less than 0. That means we are going to leave our answer in the mixed number form. Right? I am Felix Texin, your humble math teacher. Are you ready to solve with me? Let's go! The question being given to us. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to expand the expression that I have at the left hand side here. Right? The numerator to this.
Shapes and patterns, fractions too. Equations and graphs will show to you. Join the journey
to cross multiply. So let's cross multiply. The next thing I'm going to do here is to put the numerators into two groups, right?
learning math is our delight. So
Factor out x, right?
with numbers we have no fear. In the world of Turk maths, we love to play with numbers and puzzles every single day. From 1 to 100 and beyond we go. Mathematical magic in every show.
So what we are going to do is to simplify, and when you divide through, we are going to have
What fun. Adding, subtracting, we've just begun. Multiply, divide, we learn and explore. With Turk maths there's always more. Shapes and
good. We'll take out the x. This will take out the x, right? When you group the thing, so now we are left with
to you. Join the journey, come along. Together we'll be math strong. We play with numbers, oh what fun. Adding, subtracting, we've just begun. Multiply, divide, we learn and explore. With Turk maths there's always more. Turk maths is where we unite. Learning math is our delight.
good.
Grab a seat and join, play with numbers.
So this and this, the same family.
Subtracting, we've just begun. Multiply, divide, we learn and explore. With Turk maths there's always more. Shapes and patterns, fractions too. Equations and graphs.
Good. So we have minus 10x equals to 22. So we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is negative 10.
Together we'll be math strong. We play with numbers, oh what fun. Adding, subtracting,
X is equals to negative 22 out of 10. Yes, we can still break it down, right? So what is the common factor here? The common factor here is 2. 2 here, 5. The 2 here, 11. So we therefore have negative 11 out of 5. But from the question, they are saying that your answer should be in this form, that is the mixed number form, right? Is in the mixed number? No. So how many 5 parts can we get in what? 11? That is 2. So we are going to convert this improper fraction to a mixed fraction. So say therefore x is equal to 2 as a whole negative 1 out of 5. Sure. So our A here is 2, our B is -1, and our C is what? 5. Very simple. Text math learning. We play with numbers. Yeah. See you again in my next lesson. Bye bye. Share, like, and comment.